Also, welcome to Be Free Radio's platform. Here we are covering SSRS singing competition, Singing Star Tour 2024 at the West Meadows Baptist Church. Free Radio, thank you.
We're so proud to have you, Radha Madam. And
Hey friends, this is SSRS 2024, Generosity 2024, all about inclusion, diversity. As we know, Edmonton is getting ready with so many now celebrations, festivals, and all about representing communities today. It's such an event, and we've got Hema here. Hema is a physiotherapist and also is displaying JM Crafts, beautiful handmade products. And I thought I have to talk to her why this event. Hema, welcome to Be Free Radio.
Thank you so much for having us here.
Tell me something about why this event is so important to you.
So this event, SSRS Trust, has been run many years and is for the underprivileged elderly people and children in Madurai, India.
Okay.
So we are helping them to have proper rehabilitation services back home in India. And being so far away from here, we would like to support our home place and hometown, and being from Madurai, the same place where SSRS Trust is running, I really feel privileged to contribute something to the community here and to home. Yeah.
Such a heartfelt thing, guys. It's all about giving back, isn't it? Be Free Radio, Voice Free Radio believes in inclusion, diversity, promoting different languages, promoting different cultures. But today we just talk about Hema again from North India, which Be Free has done a lot of work towards the North Indians. We are coming now to South, and we know that Hema is also physio. I know that you run a small little physio clinic from home. Tell me something about that also.
So I work for University of Alberta Hospital, and I've been working in physiotherapy field for almost 25 years. And since COVID, we saw so many our community people were not able to go to public-private hospitals. So I started my home-based business to support our family, small community here, who are needing acute pain management or any kind of illness. We help with musculoskeletal injuries, acute and chronic pain, osteoarthritis, or any injury after surgeries, getting back into shape and fitness. So that's how it started in my home, and it has been running from 2020, and now it's 3 years, and it's been growing more and more every time. And we would like to flourish it more for helping the community around my neighborhood. Yeah.
And guys, I know such an important service because we all have used it somewhere, sometime. But if you're looking for a home-based, homely kind of environment, do contact Hema. Hema, एक बार अपना number. Tell the audience your number as well, how they can contact you.
So 780-263-0615 is my number. हम तो घर में 1-on-1 भी कर सकते हैं, और फिटनेस जो बच्चे हैं, they are playing in grounds and they injure at work or at the school or anything, we also take care of little kids, pediatrics or even teenage adult kids as well. और जो भी elderly है हमारा, वो भी आ जाएंगे कभी ना, तो it's kind of like they feel at home when they come here and they have this 1-on-1 sessions. So we also have dry needling, vacuum therapy, interferential therapy, heat, and also strengthening program as well. And I cater based on each individual group as well.
आप हिंदी इतनी अच्छे से बोलती हैं?
हम दिल्ली में रहते थे पहले,
तो मुझे तो शर्म आई क्योंकि मुझे हिंदी तो सिखानी पड़ी। आपकी वैसे लैंग्वेज तमिल है, मलयालम है?
तमिल मलयालम बोल लेती हूँ, हिंदी बोल लेती हूँ।
Wow. So tell us something about JM Crafts as well.
So JM Crafts is run by my professor and my aunt, who is also retired. So उनका ये है कि she is very handy at home. So she is doing some fundraising for the community around her as well. So जो भी वो हाथ से बनाती है, तो she sends it to me. She taught me so much while I was young too. So उनका जो crafts है हम यहाँ पे display कर रहे हैं. So we would like to donate this to the society for SSRS Trust as well. So we would like to do both at the same time.
Such a great feeling here, guys, full of positivity. Or isn't it important to see that no event is complete without organizers, without volunteers, without support, business community support, without sponsors. And heartfelt thank you to Hema to coming out on a Saturday and spending such a great time within the community, and also promoting, not just promoting, but giving back to the community is very important. I really thank you, Hema, for coming on V3 Radio. I wish you all the best, and of course looking forward to taking your services as well. Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you so much for having us here. I'm so happy and privileged to be a part in this SRS society and to give back to our home society and also neighborhood here. Our community is great and we are flourishing more, and I think that this is an opportunity for me also to be there and help as much as we can to each other, and we just have to help each other as much as we can.
Just applauses for Hema. Thank you.